Starting May 2025, thousands of travelers might be turned away at airports worldwide. New rules are changing how we fly, cross borders, and pack our bags. These changes affect everyone, from first-time flyers to seasoned travelers. The biggest shock? Your current ID might not work anymore. Your usual packing routine could get you stopped at security. Even your trusted passport process is changing. But don't cancel your 2025 travel plans yet. I've broken down every new rule you need to know. Let's make sure you're ready for your next trip. Number 1. Real ID Deadline. Starting May 7th, 2025, your old driver's license won't work for air travel. You'll need a Real ID compliant license instead. Look for a star in the top corner to confirm it's approved. While only 70% of states are on track to meet this deadline, don't bank on the TSA extending it to 2027. If you don't have a Real ID, don't worry. You can still fly with other documents like a valid passport, global entry card, or veteran health ID. Active military IDs also work. For state-specific Real ID details, check your DMV website since the process can take 2 to 4 weeks. To get a Real ID, bring your passport or birth certificate, proof of residence like utility bills, and your social security card. Many DMVs now require appointments and may charge extra fees. Processing times vary by state, so plan accordingly. Keep your current ID until the new one arrives and consider getting a passport as a backup. Some states even offer digital Real IDs, so check if yours does. By planning ahead, you can avoid any travel disruptions and ensure a smooth transition. Number 2. New Passport System. The State Department has introduced online passport renewals to make the process faster, but there are 6 requirements you must meet. First, you need to be over 25 years old and have a regular tourist passport that's 9 to 15 years old. You also must live in the US, have an undamaged passport, and possess the physical document. Special passports, like diplomatic ones, require different steps. Photos must follow strict rules. No selfies. Use a professional photo with a plain white background. Glasses and head coverings aren't allowed, and the photo must be recent. The system automatically checks quality. Once you apply, your old passport is immediately invalid. Avoid starting if you have upcoming travel, as processing takes at least 8 to 10 weeks. Expediting isn't an option. Payments are secure and you can track everything online. Save digital copies to stay organized. If you're finding these new rules helpful, hit that like button. It helps more travelers find this important info. Number 3. EU Travel Authorization. Starting in 2025, Americans will need ETIAS approval to enter Europe. The system launches in the second quarter with a $7.50 fee valid for 3 years. Applications must be completed before booking travel, as the system conducts automatic background checks. ETIAS approval is required for all non-EU visitors, including cruise passengers, bus tourists, and even day trippers. Children need approval but are fee-exempt, as are seniors over 70. The process is fully online, with most approvals issued within minutes, though some may take up to 14 days. Be sure to enter your passport details accurately, as errors can cause delays. ETIAS links electronically to your passport, but keep the approval email handy. The authorization covers 27 EU countries plus Iceland, Norway, and Switzerland, allowing multiple trips up to 90 days each. Renew 3 months before it expires and plan for busy seasons. Number 4. Liquid Rules Reversal. The EU's planned liquid rule changes have been cancelled, meaning the 100 milliliter limit per container is back. All liquids must fit in a clear quart-sized bag, and even airports with previously relaxed rules now have to comply due to scanner issues. Pack travel-sized toiletries, check larger bottles, and buy full-size items after security. Keep prescriptions in original packaging with a doctor's note. And remember, baby food needs separate screening. Always check specific airport policies, as they may differ by terminal. At security, remove your liquid bag, place it separately in bins, and declare larger medicines. Consider solid alternatives like shampoo bars to save space. Stay updated on rules, as they can vary between airports and even connecting flights. Number 5. Baggage size changes. European airlines make carry-on rules confusing by setting different limits. While some let you bring 22-inch bags, others cap it at 21 inches or smaller, with budget carriers being the strictest. Weight limits bounce between airlines too, making packing even trickier. Smart travelers measure everything, including wheels and handles, and double-check airline rules before flying. Most frequent flyers go for bags around 21 by 14 by 9 inches. It's generally the safe zone across carriers. A luggage scale helps you avoid surprises, and those airport measuring boxes can save you from gate check fees. Keep airline size charts on your phone and know your backup plans. Whether it's buying an approved bag at the airport or packing a squishable one that adapts to stricter limits, having options helps. Just remember, lighter packing means fewer headaches with weight restrictions. Number 6. Family Seating Guarantee. Airlines now have clear rules for family seating on all U.S. flights. Any child under 13 must sit with at least one parent. No exceptions and no extra fees. This includes basic economy tickets, making family travel easier for everyone. Planning ahead makes your journey smoother. Book early and get familiar with your airline's seating map. Most airlines let you check in 24 hours before departure. That's your best chance to secure seats together. Keep your children's age documents ready and always request family seating when booking. Know that you have rights if the airline tries to separate your family. Document everything. Take screenshots of seat assignments and save booking confirmations. Report any airline that charges extra or refuses to help. Airlines can't force you to upgrade for family seating, and their systems should prevent family separation automatically. While each airline handles this differently, some assign seats automatically, others need a phone call. The end result must be the same: families sitting together. Before we talk about your refund rights if things go wrong, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Travel rules change often, and you'll want to stay informed about protecting your family's rights. Number 7. Refund Rights. Airlines now must automatically refund passengers for significant delays and problems. Any delay over 3 hours triggers an automatic refund. If your bags are lost, you'll get your baggage fees back within 12 hours. Airlines also must offer 5-year vouchers for canceled flights. These new protections cover all U.S. air travelers. Domestic flight issues require faster refund processing than international ones. To protect yourself, monitor your flight status and save screenshots of delay notifications. Keep all airline emails and messages and don't toss those boarding passes or receipts. Taking photos of your checked bags before flight can also help with claims. Start the claim process as soon as issues occur. Airline apps usually offer the fastest service. Check your credit card benefits too, as many provide extra travel protection. Save receipts for expenses during delays since airlines must cover reasonable costs during disruptions. Understanding what counts as a significant delay is key, though weather-related issues follow different rules. Save your claim numbers and check on them weekly until resolved. Number 8. Security Upgrades. Airport security is getting a major upgrade in 2025, starting with Las Vegas. Pre-check passengers there will test the first self-service security system. The new 3D scanners mean you can finally leave laptops in your bags. If successful, other airports will quickly follow suit. International travel gets easier too. Some connecting flights won't need a second security check thanks to matching security standards. Dublin already does this with US flights, and more airports join the program monthly. Face recognition is also expanding across American airports. Pre-check lanes get these upgrades first, making security both faster and stronger. Regular lanes will catch up later in the year. The key to smooth travel is staying prepared. Keep your documents handy and follow the new screen prompts. Remember, different airports might use different systems during this transition. Let me know which change surprised you most in the comments. Share this with friends planning trips in 2025. They'll thank you later. Check out my latest video on Canada's hidden gems if you're planning a northern adventure. You'll discover amazing small towns most tourists miss. Like this video if it helped, and I'll keep you posted on new travel rules. Safe travels!